They say sharing is caring. I thought I'll come up with this vlog and share something that happened to me, and so you don't make the same mistake again. Uh, well, about a week or so ago, I noticed that my phone, by the way, my phone is a iPhone 14 Pro Max. I bought it because I wanted to do, some videoing with it, and use the good camera that it's got, and you do some audio. I even bought accessories for better audio and better lighting, so some lights and things like that. And the phone was really good to me. It did good to me, was good for me. I recorded a great videos, took some great photos. But 2022, I think it was the end of 2022 when I bought the phone. After now 2 years later, I decided to buy a proper camera, a proper audio, a proper pretty much everything for my videos. So I wasn't using the iPhone 14 Pro Max for my YouTube videos anymore. I was just doing a bit of photos here and there. So I didn't really need the camera anymore. I needed the phone, but not the camera. But it was a great phone. It was always been very good to me. Anyway, about a week ago, I noticed that I always charge my phone overnight. I noticed that the phone went from 80% to 10% and then died straight after. I thought that was odd, that was strange, and I thought, okay, maybe it's just a one-off. I just recently had a update on the software, so it might be the reason. And what I did is I just kept going, and then it happens again on the same day. I said, well, that's not quite right. And as everybody, what do? You take your phone to Apple Store. So I went to an Apple Store and I explained my situation. So to my surprise, the lady that assisted me took the phone in and then came back and said, well, we don't replace anything that has been modified. I said, I never modified the phone. I never changed anything. I bought it brand new from Apple, and that's what I always used. So she said, yeah, the back glass has been modified because the color didn't match, and therefore the battery inside was expanding, and it elevated the phone, and that's why the battery is not sitting right. So I look at it, and she was right. So this is my old phone here. So if you look closely, it's sort of a bit of a bend. That's my old phone, the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And then from there I said, look, I don't recall changing anything, but maybe 8 or 7 months ago, I remember going to a kiosk, one of these camera accessory kiosks, and asked to get a new screen cover. And what the kiosk person told me is that it might take a while because he had a few to do, and asked me to come back in an hour. So that kiosk was in the city's Melbourne Central shopping center. So I went for a walk and shopping, went about my day. And then an hour later I came back, I picked up my phone, it looks normal to me, and off I went. So that's the only time that ever could have happened that somebody replaced or removed my original back screen on my phone to put a not original, and therefore my phone was no longer insured. So Apple could not help me on that situation and told me, look, we are sorry, but we don't touch anything modified. They couldn't even give me any money back for it. And that was pretty much it. So I had to buy a new phone, and I ended up buying the iPhone 16e because I don't really need the Max or Pro Max for the camera anymore. I use now the Canon R10, which is a great camera, and I ended up buying this guy here. So, which is the iPhone 16e. I don't use the camera much, but it's got a great camera. Not as big, it's only got, as you saw, one lens, while the Max Pro had 3 lenses. So I'm just gonna show you. This is the Max Pro, had 3 lenses. The one is only got 1 lens, but the software is better, it's modern, it's fast, and I'm happy with it. If I have to do a quick photo here and there, that's fine. But when I do my video, I no longer use the phone. I use the camera, which is better, and better quality image. All for you guys, all for you guys. Now, if you are enjoying this vlog, make sure to hit me up with a big thumbs up, a like, and also subscribe to my channel, and comment down below if you have any question or you had issues with your phone that you have been ripped off somehow. Let's discuss it. Let's share it with everybody else. And I think this event that happened to me is a lesson, not just for me, but for everybody out there. So if you ever take your phone to be repaired or anything, changing your cover, screen cover, screensaver, back glass. So just know that if it's been repaired or replaced, if they replace something, you will lose your warranty. And also, sometimes, they just, in my case, they just pretty much stole my back glass, which was perfect, and put me a fake one without me knowing. And now I had to buy a new phone. So, as you see, I am $1,300 poorer with the new phone. But I love it, it's great. I really enjoyed this new phone for what I have to do it, for what I have to use it. So, and this is pretty much the story I had for you and tell you. So be alert, be aware that you can lose your warranty if you replace it, or somebody replaced you without your knowledge and pretty much stealing parts of your phone, because you're gonna lose your warranty with Apple there. So I hope this story has been somehow entertaining, and also you learn something new about the phones. If yes, give me a big thumbs up and show me that you enjoy this little vlog. And by the way, if you are wanting to watch my next story or the last story that I made, I'm gonna put it on this corner over here. And if you like to watch what YouTube believes is best, next best video for you, is gonna be on this corner over here. In the middle here where my face is, click on it, click on the subscribe button, and click on notification bell so you don't miss my very next video. Bye for now.